Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.
Alright, so Duttyberry here, Reggae Sumfest 2022, and I'm here with Voicemail.
Right.
No, like I can't say it so properly like no. So I'm gonna say, come on, I wanna just jump in a unison and say Voicemail. Come on, know a little thing, ready? Alright, so I'm here with
Voicemail.
Yes, man, them used to it for years now. Like, how long has this group been together? I'm sure I want to reach 2 decades.
Yeah, man, we're past it.
2 decades?
Yeah, man, we're past it.
Wow.
From 1999. You do the maths.
Right.
You know, we're still there, do the maths.
Man. When I get the 2 decades and also like when a couple years already took a couple ways away from Heineken start time and them type of stuff.
Not yet. But we're still having fun. Yeah. You know what I mean? Just still going across the world and sharing the culture and the love. You know what I mean? Voicemail is a part of the fun factors of the dancehall, so we have to carry the fun.
Yeah, y'all recognize that y'all have a catalog right now. We're legit. You could have just tour off on the catalog and just like live off it because the catalog is just that good.
Cat too small.
Yeah. I mean, that's pretty much what we've been doing for the past couple of years, you know. I mean, people been asking, we're voicemail, but you'll be surprised so much cribbies and corner that we haven't been yet. So we've been trying to get those fans, make them see we say, finally, see we now? All right, good, we're going over here so now. But it's been fun, it's been fun. Pandemic come and kind of pause thing. Allow us to create and recreate, you know what I mean? And just a whole bunch of stuff in store. So we're getting back to the fun right now.
Yeah, so speaking of creating, you actually released an album recently. What has been, I guess, the reaction to the new music?
Amazing. Bob Marley fight with me for the #1 spot, but I make him go and hold it. I've been,
why Bob Marley?
Yeah.
That's about your 2 decades, Bob Marley. I don't know
I
what
swear.
party.
But I'm definitely humbled and honored for the love and support I've been getting with this project. 12 amazing tracks with some of my co-workers, them, some of the families, them, the Marco, Ding Dong, Ayakti and Ja Vinci, like the list is out of this world, It's been doing extremely well. So big up all of the platform them that's been showing me every love, Pandora, Spotify, iTunes, listen, bless her.
King for the summer. Flow, you are the king for the flow. Some summer 60 mil cash and prize for the winners. One summer. Enough winnings, make sure you're in it.
Win your share of over $60 million in cash and prizes. Scratch your phone and win instant prize. Plus a chance for win weekly prize of cash, tablets and smart TVs. Dial *129 number sign to activate any unlimited social plan. Get a yard and road plan or pay your bill on time and in full to win.
Flow, some summer. Plenty prize in a flow some summer.
Conditions apply.
Can't go wrong.
Alright, so Kevin, what would you say like in terms of like people like when them used to know as a group, when enough for doing individual projects, like is that difficult? Like actually like communicating that to your fans for them understand say even though I'm a part of a group I actually want to spend some time on them solo projects as well.
I mean no, it's not difficult, I mean them still like I see it's like when you release individual project, them still call it voicemail project, which we don't have no problem with because really and truly that's really the aim to strengthen. You know what I mean? So it don't do anything. I mean, on the creative side of it is really what I want to say. You know what I mean? When we combine and go voicemail is what Craig have to say verse and what I have to say put in together to make a voicemail song. When it's me alone, then whatever, you know what I mean? So it's easier. It's even easier to create individually than it is for voicemail because we also have to think about the next person and maybe Craig wouldn't say something that I
want to be selfish and just say yo, just low everybody and go star out from one thing and I'll never return.
No, because like I tell people, the music is bigger than us. Voicemail, we have an assignment and we've been sticking to it. Our objective has been met so many times. It's bigger than me and Kevin.
What keeps this duo like together? Like I'm sure you must have some good time when I have a squabble.
Of
but
course.
What actually brings back and say like at the end of the day, like no matter what, we have to have each other back.
Well, for me, 2 things. It's fun and family. That's what we have created. Our fans is our family. Likewise, me and Kevin. You know what I mean? And it's not about ego. In the initial stage with voicemail, we eliminated three things. You know what I mean?
Tell me why you're the truth.
Yeah.
Money,
Yeah.
woman,
Yeah.
and the punta. Once those don't overpower nothing to do, we're good.
Yeah,
and we've been successful over 2 decades, so the rest is history.
All right. So I'm gonna play a rapid fire question game, and then I'm gonna just think about it on the spot. Answer. Wanna just answer? If it's only one voicemail song, I'm gonna have to sing on tour. What is that one voicemail song? Go.
Mr. Wacky is gone and his dancing is on, so everybody
Get jiggy. Oh, hold on one. Oh, no, but they're ready. All right. All right, that's just all. Song when you're tired of hearing. Own a song. When you're tired of performing now.
It's a jiggy time again.
I lie, we're not tired, we're just love fun.
What is one coming on the dancing artists them? What is one dance right now where you still can't get? One current dance right now where you still can't. Want to catch a stir fry?
Dirt.
Oh, dirt.
Yeah.
I don't know if I catch it yet.
Lali and Tyree there, you know.
Just leave them to it.
Lali and Tyree there, not catch that yet. But you catch a stir fry.
Yeah.
I'm listening. Hold on. We have to say, hold on, the camera catch it.
So watch this now. Kevin, I got foot play and me I got stir.
All right. Yeah, that look like mixed veg. All right. All right then, very nice. This is it with my interview with Voicemail Reggae Sumfest 2022.
Good
all right,
man.
big up and nice chat.
Bless
Yeah,
you,
man.
G.
See a post here now, you know?
I try.
Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.